The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Carlisle County, Kentucky, Northern Graves County, Kentucky, Northern Hickman County, Kentucky, Marshall County, Kentucky, until 6 p.m. Saturday. At 10:22 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling. Kentucky 1820 and 1628 is closed due to high water in Carlisle County. Kentucky 1462 is closed in Marshall County. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mayfield, Benton, Calvert City, Bardwell, Harding, Arlington, Columbus, Simpsonia, Lowe's, Fancy Farm, Brewers, and Aurora. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Carlisle, Graves, Hickman, and Marshall. The National Weather Service in Paducah has extended the flash flood warning for